My dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the Karnataka State Board Class 5 EVS chapter number 14, that is the sky. All the question answers and the notes activity we will study in this video. If you want the other lessons of class 5 EVS question and answers and notes, you can check the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. See here children, can you observe a picture here? Yes, what can you see in this picture? You can see around the sun there are planets. So by seeing this picture we have to answer these questions. Okay, so first, how many planets are there in solar system? 8. Second, write the names of planets in order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Third, which is the nearest planet to the sun? Mercury. In which planet do we human being live? Earth. Which is the biggest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. Which is the farthest planet from the sun? Neptune. What position has the planet Earth from the sun? Third position has the planet Earth from the sun. Next question, which planet takes the least to complete one revolution around the sun? Why? Mercury has the shortest orbital period of any planet in the solar system, completing a trip around the sun every 88 days. It is the smallest of the 8 planets as well as closest to the sun. Which planet takes those times to complete one revolution around the sun? Why? The amount of time it takes one planet to make a frill orbit around the sun is considered a year. Here on Earth, 1 year equals 365.24 days. Planets closer to the sun complete their orbits faster than the planets farther away. So Neptune is farther out than Mars, so it takes longer to orbit. Next question, name the planets. Red planet Mars, brightest planet Venus, biggest planet Jupiter, blue-green color planet Neptune, only planet that has life Earth, its day is longer than the year Venus. Then which is the natural satellite of the Earth? Answer, Moon. Explain the characteristics of the following celestial bodies. First is meteoroids. When they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they bump up in the atmosphere due to friction and a streak of light is produced. Second, asteroids. Most of them are located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Third, comets. A comet is an icy body that gives out a gas or burn. They revolve around the sun. Next question, what is mean solar day? Answer, in general, the period from one sunrise to another is considered a day. This is called mean solar day. Next question, sidereal day explain. Answer, the earth takes actual take to complete one rotation in 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.9 seconds. This period is a sidereal day. Next question, what is a leap year? Answer, once in 4 years we have 366 days in a year called leap year. Sir, the latitude that passes through Greenwich in England is called the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Next, multiple choice questions. Question number 1, the distance of the sun from the earth is 100 million kilometers, 150 million kilometers, 1000 million kilometers, 1500 million kilometers. Answer is 150 million kilometers. Question number 2, the International Astronomical Union Conference was held in July 2007, August 2007, August 2010, August 2006. Answer, August 2006. Next question, the twin planet of the earth is Mars, Uranus, Neptune, Venus. Answer, Venus. Next question, the astronomer who was the first to look at the moon through the telescope in 1608 was Neil Armstrong, Galileo, Eratosthenes, Vasco da Gama. Answer, Galileo. Next question, the person who was the first man to land on the moon is A. Galileo, B. Eratosthenes, C. Duplex, D. Neil Armstrong. Answer, Neil Armstrong. Next question, the planet which has only life is Earth, Venus, Jupiter, Mars. Answer, Earth. The solar system consists of dash planets 9, 10, 8, 7. Answer, 8. The sun is a satellite, asteroid, star, comet, star. The USA is divided into dash zones 6, 7, 9, 5. Answer, 5.
Indian Standard Time is based on 82.5 E meridian, 23.5 N latitude, 84.5 E meridian, 180 meridian. Answer 82.5 East meridian. Meridian means midnight, line, morning, midday. Answer midday. The earth takes days to complete one revolution. 364.5 days, 365.5 days, 365 days, 6 hours, 366 days. Answer 365.5 days. On December 22nd, the South Pole inclined towards the sun is called winter solstice, autumnal equinox, summer solstice, spring equinox. Answer winter solstice. Next main, fill in the blanks. First, the direction where the sun appears to rise is called east. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. The sun is made up of hydrogen and helium gases. The sun is the source of light and heat. A planet is a celestial body. Each planet has its own path of movement known as orbit. The earth is a unique planet. The fifth largest planet in our solar system is the earth. Ferdinand Magellan, and Portuguese navigator, declared that the shape of the earth was spherical. The moon is the only satellite of the earth. The twinkle body in the sky is called stars. Next main, match the following. Here left side name of the planets are given and right side their description we need to match. Here are the answers for that. You can see the answers and match for that. Next main, answer the following questions. First, what are celestial bodies? Answer, all the objects that we can see in the sky are called celestial bodies. Next, what is solar system? Answer, the family of the sun is known as solar system. How are planets different from stars? Answer, a planet is a celestial body moving in an elliptical orbit around a particular star. Why is the earth known as unique planet? Answer, the earth is only planet of our solar system on which there is a life. Next, what is meant by the phases of moon? The moon has no light of its own, hence it reflects the light from the sun. Its position in relation to the sun changes from night to night. As a result, we have the phase of the moon. Next, what is lunar month? Answer, the period from one new moon to the next new moon is called lunar month. What is a planet? Answer, a planet is a celestial body moving in an elliptical orbit around a particular star. What is meant by waxing in the course of the moon's revolution? Answer, from the day following the new moon to that of the moon gradually increases. This change is known as waxing. Next question, what is the axis? Answer, the imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth from the north pole to the south pole is called axis. What is lunar eclipse? Answer, when the moon is partly or fully covered by the shadow of the earth, this is known as lunar eclipse. What are the two types of eclipses? Answer, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse. What is new moon? Answer, when the moon is completely dark, we call it as new moon. What is full moon? When we see moon's bright side totally, we call it full moon. What are called Maria? The moon's surface consists of plains, mountains and craters. The plains are called Maria. What is moonlight? Answer, at night the moon reflects the light received from the sun. This is known as moonlight. Who is the first person to calculate the size of the earth? Eratosthenes, a Greek astronomer, was the first person to calculate the size of the earth. What is geoid? Answer, earth was slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Such shape is called geoid. What is Milky Way? Answer, our solar system is a part of galaxy known as the Milky Way. Why does the sun look bigger than other bigger stars? Answer, the sun is closer to the earth than any other bigger stars. What is meant by the inclination of the earth axis? Answer, while the earth is revolving around the sun along its elliptical orbit, its axis is inclined at an angle of 66.5 with the plane of the orbit, and the plane of the orbit 23.5 with the line perpendicular to the plane of the orbit. This is known as the inclination of the earth's axis. Name the planet which do not have satellite. Answer, Mercury and Venus have no satellites. Name the planet of our solar system. Answer, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. How do lunar and solar eclipse occur? Answer, the lunar eclipse occur at the time of full moon but not every time. The solar eclipse occur at the time of new moon but not every time. What are asteroids? Answer, between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, numerous small bodies also revolve around the sun. These are called asteroids. What is rotation? The earth's spin continuously on its axis from west to east is called rotation. What is revolution? The earth also revolves around the sun along its orbit. It is called revolution. What is the earth's axis? The earth rotates on its axis. It spins itself. It is called earth axis. What is meant by equator? Answer: an imaginary line is drawn around the earth is called equator. Name the 4 seasons: spring equinox, summer solstice, autumn equinox, and winter solstice. What are lines of latitude? Latitudes are a set of imaginary lines drawn on the globe from the west to the east. Name the important lines of latitude. Answer: equator, parallels of latitudes. What is local time? Answer: when the sun is overhead at any meridian, it is noon at all the places over throughout meridian. This is called local time. What is meant by Earth's orbit? Answer: the Earth has its own path of movement known as orbit. Mention 2 effects of rotation. Answer: the rotation of Earth causes day and night. Why is international dateline adopted? Answer: in order to solve the problem of time which travels around the world, 180 meridians is taken as international dateline. What is northern and southern hemisphere? The northern half of the earth is called northern hemisphere. The southern half of the earth is called southern hemisphere. What is geographic coordinators? Answer: the latitude and the longitude intersect each other right angles and provides coordinate points. They form a grid. Such grid is known as geographical coordinates. So this is all about class 5 EVS lesson number 14, the sky notes question answers. If you want the other lessons notes and question answers, everything, you can see the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. Thanks for watching.